how to turn off or on new followers notifications on Instagram feeds. Easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. It's easy. First just open Instagram feeds and then go to your profile, and after that click these 2 points and then go to notifications, go to following and followers. If you want to turn it off, just click here, and if you want to turn it on, click on the first one, and that's it. It's easy. Now all you have to do, just go back. You don't have to click save or something like that, and that's it. It will be saved. Let's make sure, and that's it, as you see. And I hope this video is helpful for you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.